The Mesozoic, known as the era of reptiles, begins with the Jurassic period. In this period of barren and warm climate with large deserts, the biosphere diversified again after the massive extinction that brought the Paleozoic to a close. Plant life was dominated by coniferous and other seed-bearing plants, and land vertebrates thrived and diversified, giving rise to multiple groups of reptiles, including the earliest dinosaurs, and to the first mammals. The Jurassic also ended with another massive extinction, of unclear causes, which wiped out half of the known species. During the Triassic, Pangea extended from pole to pole, surrounded by a single ocean called Panthalassa. A branch of Panthalassa, the Tethys Sea, began to penetrate through Pangea from the east. Coelophysis is an extinct genus of dinosaur which existed from the late Triassic to the early Jurassic. It's one of the best known primitive dinosaurs, of which we have many complete skeletons. These dinosaurs were very fast bipedal predators, measuring up to 3 meters in length and 1 meter in height. They are very similar to the velociraptors. During the Jurassic, the global climate was warm and increasingly damp. The deserts from the Jurassic gave rise to tropical forests, with coniferous and ferns. The extinction event that ended the Triassic brought about the dominance of dinosaurs, which diversified and were found in all land ecosystems, together with giant flying reptiles, Pterosaurus, and aquatic reptiles such as Ichthyosaurus and Plesiosaurus. By the end of the Jurassic, a group of dinosaurs gave rise to the first bird species. Aquatic environments were highly diverse, underpinned by an abundant production of plankton, which would become the base for future oil and gas deposits. Geologically, the formation of the new ocean crust under the Tethys Sea signified the dismemberment of Pangea in 2 large continents, Laurasia to the north and Gondwana to the south. Archaeopteryx is a genus of dinosaurs which existed 150 million years ago. It is considered the oldest bird known in its broadest sense, although it features some characteristics not present in modern birds, such as sharp teeth and a bony tail, similar to magpies in size. These animals bear feathers and may have flown. In the Cretaceous, the first angiosperms, flowering plants with fruits, thrived and diversified. The evolution of their flowers paralleled the evolution of pollination insects. Small mammals and birds also proliferated, but still under the looming dominance of large reptiles. The Cretaceous period ends with yet another massive extinction, triggered by an asteroid impact which wiped out 75% of all species, including the dinosaurs and large reptiles. This paved the way for the diversification of mammals and birds. In geological terms, Gondwana started to break apart in South America, Africa, India, Australia, and Antarctica, and Laurasia into North America, Greenland, Europe, and Asia. Half the world's oil and gas reserves originated by the mid-Cretaceous from the buildup of organic remains in the seabed. Mosasaurus is an extinct genus of marine reptiles that existed in the late Cretaceous. These huge predators could measure up to 17 meters in length and swam in shallow waters, feeding on fish, turtles, ammonites, etc.